What are the benefits of using a VPN? 1. Enhanced security. 2. Remote control. 3. Share files privately and securely. 4. Browse the internet anonymously without anyone knowing who you are or what you are browsing. 5. Unblock certain websites and bypass filters. 6. This also allows you to change your IP address from what it normally is. 7. Better performance. 8. Reduce cost. Be sure to also check out VPN Hub Premium. VPN Hub Premium is a VPN product that allows you to protect yourself online, hide your IP address and web browsing, unblock worldwide content, and enjoy free global streaming. You can start your free week now by clicking on the link below in the description. Thank you for choosing How to Pronounce.